Welcome to my channel Car Quest. What if we told you that the beast of Indian roads is making a comeback, stronger, bolder, and smarter than ever? Yes, the iconic Tata Sumo is reborn in 2025, and it's not just an SUV anymore, it's a statement. With its new-age design, enhanced features, and powerful performance, the 2025 Sumo is ready to rule both cities and villages once again. Hammer and wrench rugged yet modern design. The Tata Sumo 2025 brings in a perfect fusion of bold utility and modern flair. It maintains its boxy, muscular stance, a nod to its legendary past, but now features sleeker LED DRLs, redesigned front grille, aggressive bumpers, and modern alloy wheels. The high ground clearance and tall profile still shout authority, while updated tail lamps and a fresh dashboard layout bring it right into the modern era. Automobile power under the hood. Under the hood, the new Sumo is expected to house a 2.0L Cryotech diesel engine, the same workhorse powering the Tata Harrier and Safari. It delivers around 170 bhp and 350 Nm of torque, paired with either a 6-speed manual or automatic gearbox. With a top speed of approximately 165 km per hour, this 7-seater SUV isn't just about carrying people, it's about commanding the road. Couch and lamp features, space and comfort. Inside, the 2025 Sumo gets a major upgrade. A large touchscreen infotainment system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, digital instrument cluster, premium fabric upholstery, and AC vents for all 3 rows ensure maximum comfort. With flexible seating for 7 adults and a flat-folding third row, it's both a family car and a utility vehicle. Money bag price in India. Tata is expected to price the Sumo very competitively, starting around 11.5 Indian rupees lakhs and going up to 15.5 Indian rupees lakhs, Ex-Showroom, depending on the variant. This places it perfectly between rural affordability and urban expectations, a smart move by Tata. Loudspeaker final words. The 2025 Tata Sumo is not just a comeback, it's a revolution. With its strong engine, solid design, modern features, and attractive price tag, it's ready to win hearts once again. Whether you're a fan of the old Sumo or someone looking for a dependable 7-seater SUV, this one deserves your attention.